In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and organize a Google Drive system tailored for managing construction projects. We'll walk through everything from creating a structured folder setup to sharing files effectively with your team and clients. Whether you're using a professional Google Workspace setup or a regular Google Drive, these steps will help you streamline your processes and keep your documents easily accessible. Let's begin by discussing Google Workspace. If you're aiming for a professional setup, Google Workspace is definitely recommended. This platform allows you to use an email like your name at yourcompany.com, which gives you that polished edge when communicating with clients. Plus, it comes with added benefits such as increased storage capacity, access to shared drives, enhanced security measures, and robust team management tools. However, if you're just starting out or prefer to keep it simple, you can still leverage a free Google Drive account which offers all the basic functionalities you need. Now, when it comes to setting up your Google Drive, planning your folder structure is crucial. Think of Google Drive as your digital filing cabinet where organization and clarity are key. For managing construction projects, here's a suggested folder structure to consider. Start with a main folder named something like Construction Company Drive, and within it, create subfolders for each aspect of your business operations. Under projects, you can have separate folders for each project, labeled something like Project A Client Name. Inside each of these project folders, you can streamline your document management by categorizing further into folders such as Contracts and Permits, Blueprints and Plans, Site Photos and Videos, Invoices and Payments, and Reports and Progress Updates. Don't forget to set up folders for HR and payroll, safety guidelines, and supplier and vendor docs as well. A useful tip here is to maintain clear folder names incorporating dates or project codes for easy identification and to keep everything neat and searchable. Next, let's discuss uploading and organizing your files. Google Drive makes it quite intuitive with its drag and drop functionality. Simply drag and drop contracts, drawings, schedules, and invoices into their designated folders. Consider using color coding to add another layer of organization. For instance, you can use red for urgent files and green for completed tasks. Creating shortcuts for frequently accessed files can also save you time and clicks. Once everything is uploaded and organized, you'll want to share the necessary files with your team and clients. You can easily do this by right-clicking on the file or folder, selecting Share, and then adding the relevant email addresses. It's important to manage permissions effectively. You can set some as viewer for those who just need to see the documents, commenter for those who are providing feedback, and editor for colleagues who need full access. For sensitive files like contracts and payroll documents, it's wise to restrict access to a select group of individuals to ensure confidentiality. By following these steps, you can create a streamlined, accessible, and secure digital space that enhances collaboration and efficiency in your construction projects. I hope these tips help you get the most out of Google Drive or Google Workspace, and thanks for watching.